Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center.
Watch our video and we'll be back to talk with you more in a moment.
Sometimes a driver's bad habits are a car's worst enemy. PopularMechanics.com tells us some of these habits that can shorten a vehicle's lifespan. Even on a level surface, you should use the parking brake. Not engaging the parking brake puts the entire weight of your vehicle on a little piece of metal that can eventually wear out or break from all that weight. The parking brake evens the load, helping transmission components last longer. If your gas tank is always running at a quarter full or less, you're speeding up the need for a fuel pump replacement. Making a few more stops at the gas station and filling up more won't hurt nearly as much as needing a new fuel pump. Over time, sudden shifting from backward to forward can really damage your drivetrain. Instead, come to a complete stop before switching gears. It only adds a second of time and helps prevent future engine, transmission, or axle damage. Still drive a stick shift or manual transmission? If so, then don't leave one hand on the steering wheel and the other on the shift lever. That puts strain on the transmission's bushings and synchronizers, leading to premature wear. Any strange vibrations, squeaks, occasional knocks, or other unusual symptoms is your car's way of saying it should be inspected right away. The longer you wait increases the chance of you being stranded on the side of the road at some point. Don't ignore these signs. If these minor shifts in behavior allow your car to last longer between major or minor repairs, you'll thank us.
Klahanie Service Center is located in Klahanie QFC Shopping Center. We're open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Our ASE Master Certified Technicians are present Monday through Saturday. Call or just come in and set up a repair or maintenance appointment.
And you don't need to take our word for it. Read the reviews on Google, Yelp, and Facebook.
Also, our website is KlahanieServiceCenter.com. We'll see you soon.